Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix your VIP member after your money has been deducted from your Apple ID on Iqiyi. Now, if your page shows that you're a member after your money has been deducted from your Apple ID, what do you do? First, it's recommended that you verify whether you are logged into the correct member account. Then confirm whether you have purchased membership without logging in. If you confirm that you purchased membership without logging into Iqiyi, please click on the personal homepage in the app, tap on me, tap on feedback. Select the corresponding question to submit help feedback, telling the problem you encountered, and provide transaction voucher and a mobile phone number that you have not registered or bound. And the customer service staff will help you with the query based on the information you provide. Now you can find your payment history by following these steps. On your mobile, you can use the App Store by tapping on the profile icon in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID, tap on purchase history, and you will see the total bill. Now if you are using the settings, you can tap on your Apple ID, tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, tap on purchase history, and you see your total bill. Hope you found this video helpful.